What's up, guys? Siyempre, Cyber Pretty Junior at your service again and again and again. By the way, this is late recording because microphone is kind of the something. I don't know why. So I will play another FIFA 14 challenge. I was play FIFA 14 challenge, but this time Chelsea. I'm going to play Chelsea versus Aston Villa, but this time is kind of different because game is they got 21 minutes left. Let me change lineup for you. Game, let's go for the win. Let's go. Bang. Game. Lag. Lag, fam. It's lag. Come on. What are you doing, fam? Go. Go, Kebs. Go, Kebs. Foul. Oh. No. Fuck. Fuck. No. 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 Restart. 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 Fuck my colds. I got a cold. No way. Loton, Maynila. Loton, Maynila. Bakuna. Back to bakuna. Bakuna. Benten. Benten. Run it to run. No way. Okay. Still. Still. Come on. Come on. Come on. Ito. Come on. Come on. Come on. Fire. Panso. No! Ito. Come on. Come on. Fire. Kind of hard. Let's start again. Wait for a second.
Few inches later.
Back to the ball game. Back to ako. Lampard. The eye. Mata. The Tagalog of eye is mata. Ito. Go. Mata. The eye. The eye. Ito. Look at me in the eye. On. Planted. Back to Baku. The vaccine. Run. Run. Again. Oh. No! The goal. Come on. What are you doing? Ref, what are you doing? Run. 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 Fire. One more left. Come on. Let's go. Fuck. I got colds. Loton, Maynila. Agubador. What the fuck? Name is Mata. The eye. Look at me. Ay, sabi ni Ben Tulpo. Come on. Fire. Okay. Need to defense and add one more goal to secured. Come on. That's it. Oh. Lampard. Lampara. Lampara. Lamp. Baku. Back to Baku. Ah. Lampard. 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 Come on, Lampara. Another goal. Chelsea. Let's go, Chelsea. Come on. Loton, Maynila. Tubacuna. Benten. No. No way. Walang daan. No way. Penman. No way. No way. I got a revenge against Manchester United last time. Okay, Kevin De Bruyne, come on. That's it. Yes. Yes. Yes, that's it for today. Oh my God. Ito, Lampard. Ito, mata, Lampard. Finally, that's it. That's it for today. My Colts attack me again. Okay, next. New York Knicks against Minnesota Timberwolves. Okay, so that's the next episode. So that's it for today. Bye from now. What the is that? What are you doing? Riz! Why Riz is out? Now the flirting guy is out.